This elegantly packaged shaving kit is the perfect gift for men, with Morris Park men's razor, pre-shave beard oil, shaving cream, shaving brush, aftershave balm. Each step is made to provide a close and comfortable shave. The 4 elements of the perfect shave provides noticeably improved skin, helps with ingrown hairs, razor burn. Prepare with pre-shave oil, lather up with shaving cream, shaving brush, shave, moisturize with aftershave balm. Top reviews from the United States. Durable razor. Perfect Father's Day gift. My father travels to Florida for the winter and this type of kit would fit perfectly in his glove compartment. My husband says the razor does an excellent job and it's tough. Get rid of those cheap razors that nick the skin. The shaving creams etc. are a nice bonus. Would also be a great stocking stuffer idea at Christmas.